Hi guys, I'm Brandy and welcome to Brandy and Company. So today I am actually about to send a bag to Hermes, and I thought I would just share the bag with you quickly and show you the bag of the day for today, and also go over what's inside my bag because I'm transferring from one bag to another. Okay, this is what I'm sending off to the spa at Hermes. I actually sent it to Hermes. This is a Box Kelly black gold hardware. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is from 1991, something like that. Let's look and see. Let's see that. View of the circle. So I'll look that up. I don't remember what it is, and I'll pop it here on the screen. But yeah, so look at the condition of it. It's never been to the spa. It just needs some assistance. The strap, it's starting to get some of that cracking here on the handles. So I love carrying her. This is the size 32. I think I may have mentioned that. And I just absolutely love this size for me. I'm able to fit what I need in it for the most part. I can fit pretty much what I need for my current lifestyle. And I think as I continue to age, from my understanding, generally speaking, you tend to carry less as you age. Your kids get older, you just don't need to carry things for them, just for yourself. You start to get older and your body's just older, so you just don't want to carry as much weight around. So 32 is really good for me and my stature, in my opinion. All right, so what we're going to transfer is everything out of this bag to send this off into this bag. Which is an Hermes Birkin, and I can never remember the name of the letter, but it's one that they do not make anymore. This is also vintage. I believe it's from 1991. I'll have to look and see. A Y with a circle. So I'll see when this was created and pop it here as well. But yeah, it's black gold hardware. This is more of a grain, has more of a grain leather, whereas your box is very smooth. And I love this. It holds its shape very well, whereas like Togo and Clemence will tend to slouch quite a bit. And, okay, so let's put everything in her. And I tend to carry it just like this. And this I carry like this as well. All right, so we're going to start off with this. Most of these things you guys have already seen in my, my luxury accessories video. I was listening to videos earlier. Yeah, you guys have seen most of the stuff in my luxury accessories videos 1 and 2. If you have not, I'll pop them up here. I think it'll be up here. I'll pop them up here for you guys to click and watch. All right, so this is from Louis Vuitton. This is the medium glass holder. It will not say sunglass holder if you're looking for this. I don't know that they manufacture it anymore, but you might be able to find it on Pre-Loved Market, as I did. And in here today, I'm still carrying these Celine sunglasses. I just absolutely love these. I love them. And here, actually, let's go back a step. I don't know about you, but when people do like handbag of the day or show you what fits inside, well, show me how it fits inside, not just everything that's in it. Let me see how it fits in here. This is everything. You guys, this is totally impromptu, so this is the real, whoops. So let's start over. This is a bunch of just stuff. I have a birthday invite, a coupon from J. Crew, receipts, check that needs to be deposited today. All right. Just gonna pop that in the slide pocket there. Chanel wallet. Oh, this is a newbie. I don't think I've shown this to you. We'll do a video on it, but this is the Hermes Garo. I'm very Spanish, not French. The Caro, K-A-R-O, the PM size. Love this. Sunglasses again, we just reviewed. So this is how we're looking now. Okay. Still more stuff to go. Best hand cream, go out and get it. Get on the mailing list for Bath and Body Works. When they do these occasional pop-up sales, where you can get these for like $1.95 or even $2.95, go grab some. Give them to your mom, your best friend, your sister, your cousin. I think, what is it called? Like Teacher Appreciation Day or something is coming up. Hand these out. So thank you. Nurses, if you have any nurses or medical staff that you're friends with or in your family, grab them these. This one in particular is awesome. It's amazing. That's how we're looking in the Birkin. Plenty of room to spare. This is the Gucci like key clay. I just keep those earbuds that still have the cord attached, but I don't really use them anymore. I did get these from Amazon, but I still like to have them just in case. It's a great body cream because I'm always in a rush with a toddler. Jackson will have his lotion on, but mommy will not. I keep this little Necessaire body cream because summer is here, in my opinion. Today it's cold, but spring, summer is here. It's warm outside. I'm wearing dresses and shorts and things like that, and a lot of times I've forgotten my lotion. I'm rushing, so I keep this with me. Keys. Some tissues in case somebody has a runny nose. Usually just pop that also here. That is it, you guys. That's all that was in there. I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see what it looks like inside the bucket. So this is the inside. Everything fits in here really nicely. Easy to see, find, and use. Alright guys, this is a very short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe below. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'd love to know what your bag of the day is. Love it or not, it doesn't matter. I just love hearing and seeing what other people are carrying, what they're loving these days. I hope you have an amazing day and we will chat later. Toodles!